AI-based face recognition network cylinder camera with multi-person attendance and access control. Network-based cameras are primarily utilized for surveillance and video recording purposes. Artificial intelligence and machine learning, commonly referred to as AI and ML, have become deeply ingrained in everyday life, finding various applications for the common person. Camera technology is undergoing a significant upgrade to the next level, incorporating these advanced technologies. Fortuna introduces AI-based face recognition cameras capable of identifying human faces of the walking workforce. The camera can recognize multiple persons within a single frame, provided their faces are enrolled locally in the camera. With a memory capacity to register or store up to 20,000 person faces, the workforce is identified using the face recognition algorithm in online mode. It utilizes the edge device power of the C5M camera model. The camera features live face detection, storing 100,000 transaction records, and triggering a relay output for access control requirements. It has a focus range of up to 10 meters with motorized zoom. It supports TCP by IP, UDP, HTTP, RTSP, DDNS, SMTP, MQTT, and FTP protocols for data transfer and video streaming. It also includes a built-in microphone and speaker for various use cases. Fortuna offers an SDK for custom software development or a ready-to-use attendance application. This technology finds applications in live attendance tracking in schools for students, industry gates for labor, corporate office worker, gyms for members, capturing the movement of both known and unknown faces. If you find this intriguing, please contact Fortuna for technical discussions or a demo. Thank you for watching the video.